Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook group. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Here, click on the search icon in the top section of your screen. Type in the name of your group. Click on the shield icon in the top right corner. Scroll down your screen and click on Delete Group option. If you're sure, click on Delete Group option once again. And that is how you can delete your Facebook group. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.